Well, here we are back in the loft. Here we are back in the loft then. As I said yesterday, I'm going to pair the dues up. So I've done that. They've been in these boxes overnight. See, there's a pair taken to each other there, no bother. They're a ball pair of dues, eh? I like the coke and the hen. Anyway, these are a pair of Llewellyn Pigeon World Jan Ardens. This is a pair of, this is a Staffan Reet and the Leo Hermans. This is he's a Staffan Reet checker and she's a Root Johnson. He's a Root Johnson and she's a Root Johnson. This is a pair of blues here, they're both, that wee blue coat there, him here. See him, wee coat there. He came into me last year, he's with a guy called Gary Hall for Rothside, Glen Rothis in Fife. So I paired them up to this lovely wee hen. She's a cracking wee pigeon. She's for a guy's loft in Roslin, somebody called Colin. But I'm glad to see there's only one problem that I've got here now. No these pigeons here, That's a pair of Jan Ardens for Llewellyn Pigeon World. That's what they are. But see him, see this. She's been pecked. Look, she's done it overnight here. Do you see the back of her head? I'll try and show you. Do you see it? Come on, sweetheart. Come on, sweetheart. Come on, sweetheart. Let me see. Come on, darling. Let me see. Let me see, darling. Let me see. Come on. Let me see. And there you go. Look at me. So I'm going to take her right out of there. Bugger it, he is. And he came from Rathel as well. So, but she came from Rathel as well. So I paired them up. They're both a pair of Leo Hermans. They came for the loft. I think that just won the Federation averages. I'm not sure. So, but anyway, calling for Rathel. Here we go. Here's another pair. She's a Root Johnson, and he is a Staffan Reet. That's what he is. Now, checker pied hen here. She's a Llewellyn Pigeon World Jan Arden, and he is a Jan Arden for the House of Arden. That's where he come from. But he was gifted to me a couple of years ago as a baby for a lovely guy from Dunbar, a great fancier, Adam Luke. That's who bred me that checker cock there. He's a bonny pigeon and he's beautiful in the hand. So I'm going to say to this wee hen here. Who's down here? Look at this, Here you go, She's a Root Johnson. He's a lovely wee cock. He's a guy, he's a bonny wee cock. He's a Leo Hermans. So I'm just trying various breeding now. As I say, I'm going to sort this wee hen out. Look at her head. Look at what he's done to her. So I'm going to take her out of there. One absolute shame, one absolute cinches. But you can see they're starting to take to each other. You know, they're alright. They're fine. So that's good. So it's only him. Look at what he's done to her, that bugger. Hey, see you. You hurt her again, you stop it. Anyway, guys, that's my pairs all paired up. So these three pigeons that you see here, that mealy cock, the blue cock and the checker white fly there, they're going back to walking and waltzing at the weekend, back to St Abbs. So, and most of them are their babies in here. Anyway, that was anyway, I just want to do this wee video for you and show you my parents. Okay, and I'll speak to you all later. Cheery.